because we are getting in the latest visuals coming in. Ashok Gehlot has actually invited the media inside, maybe to show the number of MLAs that he has, because Sachin Pilot's camp has contradicted the 102 claim. Ashok Gehlot has opened the doors of his residence, asked the media to come in and take visuals of the MLAs in that meeting. The meeting hasn't begun, but let's listen in to what's going on there.
ये दावा दिखाई दे रहा है, ये साफ साफ दिखाई दे रहा है कि किस तरह से विधायकों को यहाँ पर बुलाया गया है और विधायकों की तस्वीर खिंचवाई जा रही है। शायद विधायक दल की बैठक इसीलिए टाली जा रही थी कि एक बार बहुमत की संख्या से विधायकों की संख्या पार हो जाए तो हम यहाँ मीडिया के सामने इनका प्रदर्शन करें। इस तरह से यहाँ पर तस्वीरें आप देख सकती हैं कि किस तरह से विधायकों के अंदर एक उत्साह का माहौल है और उनको लग रहा है कि सरकार बच गई है। साफ तस्वीरों में देखें अशोक गहलोत बैठे हुए हैं, केसी वेणुगोपाल तस्वीरों में आपको दिखाई दे, सुरजेवाला, अजय बाकन, अविनाश पांडे, ये सारे के सारे कांग्रेस के नेता जो चेहरों पर चिंता की लकीरें थी, वो चिंता की लकीरें कुछ कम दिखाई दे रही है। तनाव जो रात भर का है, रात भर सोए नहीं है, उसका तनाव मीनाक्षी चेहरे पर देखा जा सकता है। लेकिन जिस तरह से एक बड़ी राहत अशोक गहलोत का दावा है कि हमारे पास 102 विधायक पहुंच गए हैं, जो विधायकों की संख्या है 101 होनी चाहिए, वो हमारे पास 102 है। ये सोनिया गांधी जिंदाबाद के भी नारे लग रहे हैं। तो इस तरह से देखिए महेंद्रजीत सिंह मालवीय, जिनका नाम FIR में है, वो भी यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं, एसओजी के FIR में जिनका नाम है। तो ये एक तरह से बड़ी कामयाबी अशोक गहलोत की मानी जा सकती है कि सरकार उन्होंने अपनी बचा ली है। अशोक गहलोत ने जिस तरह से कहा जा रहा था सचिन पायलट की तरफ से कि उनकी सरकार अल्पमत में आ चुकी है, हमारे पास 30 से ज्यादा विधायक हैं, तो अब सचिन पायलट को सामने आना चाहिए। महेश जोशी बोल रहे हैं, हम सुनाना चाहेंगे आपको।
Sir, to my colleague Ankit Tyagi, who's right now inside, Ankit, Gehlot opening the doors to his residence, asking the media to come in itself. He's openly defiant right now to the claim by the Sachin Pilot camp, which said that they had 25 MLAs, a head count for the media.
But quite chaotic right now, and I can see Ashok Gehlot who is standing right now with a victory signal, and along with him Randeep Singh Surjewala and the senior leaders of the Congress party, and this is true show of strength, sending out a message, while Sachin Pilot sending out messages in fact through the emissaries, through his sources, saying that there are 25 MLAs with him. Ashok Gehlot has got the entire media contingent inside the official residence of the Chief Minister here in Jaipur, and trying to in fact showcase the number of people, those who are with him. And I can also see Ajay Makan along with Randeep Singh Surjewala, KC Venugopal, Avnish Pandey, all of them in fact sitting here along with the other senior leaders. And on the other side we'll try and pan, and Dinesh is now showing you the strength, the MLAs, those who are in fact right now present inside this venue. This is inside the Chief Minister's residence, and just about 5 minutes back, Preeti, the doors were opened and we were asked to come inside. You know, if you can see, there are few in the front line, few of the MLAs, those who are sitting, are seen as close to the MLAs, those who are close to Sachin Pilot. So a clear message, a clear signal being in fact shown here as far as the media is concerned. You know, total show of strength, but the 102 number Mr. Gehlot was in fact claiming, that doesn't seem to be adding up, at least with the number of people, those who are sitting here right now. Although Mr. Gehlot seems to be suggesting, and sources close to him seems to be suggesting, that there are many MLAs, those who are right now in fact on their way, and few of the ministers have gone out to get a few more people. And as soon as this photo op is over, now we have been asked to move back from this area so that the meeting in fact could start and they could in fact continue with the CLP meeting. Ashok Gehlot in fact we'll try and get a word from Mr. Gehlot. We just came to meet the media here, and just told them that, you know, I will be speaking to you in a short while from now. Goes back to the dais, and the CLP meeting of the Congress party about to begin. We've been told that, right now, okay, it's quite chaotic. I need to get my camera person Dinesh.
Okay.
Safely.
Okay,
So,
Ankit.
yeah, so there is a lot of chaos of these visuals that are coming in.